Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm gonna be doing some makeup, but as you can see for this one, my brows are already done, so I'm gonna go straight into my eyelids. And to base it, I'm gonna be using this primer by Kevin Aucoin. I'm using the brush to apply it onto my lid because I only want just a little bit on there. To blend it out, I'm using my Morphe M173 brush. Now I'm going to set it using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Now I'm going to do my eyeshadow, and I like to use my bronzer as my transitioning color just because sometimes I like to blend it down to my nose and then it will blend in with the bronzer I use on my nose when I contour my nose. I'm going to continue my eyeshadow using this palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be using this shade right here. So I'm adding this one in the same area that I added the contour earlier. I'm not going to be blending it too much down to my nose. Now I'm going back into the same palette. This time I'm going to be using this shade right here, and I'm going to apply it on the outer corner of my eyes and blend it inwards. The shade I'm applying now is from the same palette, and it's the one that's in the middle of the two that I just used. For some reason I thought I pressed record, but I didn't. Happens all the time. I do apologize. Now I'm gonna line my eyes off camera before putting my lashes on. These are the lashes I'm using today. This clip is from a whole different video, but the lashes are the same, I promise. I'm going to be using my foundation brush by Il Makiage to apply my foundation. The foundation I'm using today is from NARS. For some reason, I did not get that clip either. And again, I'm so sorry. But I will link all the products down in the description box, so don't worry. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer, and the one I'm using is the same one from earlier in the video. And now I'm blending it out using the same concealer brush from earlier. Now I'm setting the concealer in place, and I'm using the setting powder that you guys saw me with earlier, the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I also like to go onto my cheek with the setting powder, even though I didn't add any concealer there. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. And then whatever is left on the brush, I just go over my entire face with it. Here I'm contouring my face using my contour stick from Fenty Beauty. And now I'm gonna blend it out using my foundation brush. For my nose, I usually go in with a smaller brush to blend it out. Now I'm adding my bronzer, and I'm just gonna be going over all the places that I applied contour to. I'm gonna apply some translucent powder under my eyes, and this one is from Maybelline. I only use it under my eyes, and as I've said before in other videos, you do not have to do this step. It's just that I really like the way it feels and looks on my skin, so that's the reason why I do it. It's not like something that I have to do. I usually let it sit for about 5 minutes before, I do anything to it. So right now I'm just like patting it, pushing it into my skin. I'm not really doing the sweeping motion with the brush, if you know what I mean. So that's all I'm doing. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm going to go in with my setting powder. This one is from MAC, and I'm going to just dab this all over my face. And now we're going to be going in with blush, and this one is from Il Makiage. Next up, I'm going to be going in with my eyeliner, and this one is from ABH Cosmetics. I'm applying this onto the tip of my nose bridge, under my eyebrows, and some on my lip. To line my lip today, I'm going to be using this pencil that I found in the beauty supply store. I have a whole bunch of them that I got from the beauty supply store. I got my lip pencils or eyeliners from all over, so some of them doesn't even have a name on it, so I can't even tell you what the name of this one is. And by the way, this one says eyeliner on it, but it works as a lip liner for me, so you know me already. I'm gonna be using it once it works for me. I'm then going to be using this other shade that look kind of like burgundy or a lighter brown, and I'm going to go on the inner part of where I've lined already, and I'm going to line there before putting my lipstick on. So the lipstick I'm using today is this one from NYX, and I have so many of them, so don't be surprised when you see them popping up every time I'm doing my makeup. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my face using this setting spray from Il Makiage. And then I'm going to go ahead and dry it down with my fan. Okay, so I'm all done with makeup, guys. So I'm going to go change in something cuter, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. Okay, so we are all done, guys. Hair done, nails done, everything did. Ha ha ha. I am so in love with this look, this eye look right here. I absolutely love it. I don't even know why I went for this. I just thought of it while I was doing it, and it came out looking beautiful, but I want to know what you guys think, so definitely leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you're feeling this look, guys, definitely give it a thumbs up, and if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell for more. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.